Do you want to remove the email address from your Facebook profile? Then watch this video until the end to learn how you can do just that. The process is the exact same for both iPhone and Android devices, so let's start right away. We'll open our Facebook mobile app and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now the next step is to tap on the menu button which is at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then we'll get to this page. We'll have to go to our Facebook settings, and we'll do that by tapping on this little gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. We're on our Facebook settings page, and at the very top of the screen you'll see this Account Center option, and that's what we have to open. So click on the See More in Account Center button, and that's going to get you to this page where we can customize a bunch of stuff on our Facebook and Instagram accounts. Let's tap on the personal details right here. And then contact info at the very top. I have 2 different email addresses connected to my Facebook account, and just tap on the email address which you want to remove or delete from your account. You can remove both of them if you want to. When you open it, just tap on this Delete Email button at the bottom, and then Facebook is going to give us this pop-up window with some information. Keep in mind that if you remove the email address from your Facebook account, it will no longer be connected with your profile, and you can't use the email to reset your password and other stuff if you can't log in or if you forget your password. So if you're sure you want to remove it, just hit the delete button and they will ask us to enter our Facebook password to confirm that it's us. And when you do that, your email address will be removed from Facebook. If you want more Facebook tutorials and tricks, make sure to subscribe to Tutor, and I'll see you in the next video.